like to thank everybody that watched this video, man. If you are in the market for painting your car, you can use the code LSCR10 from Grant 7 Paints and Coatings. LSCR10, you get 10% off the Oh My Clear. When you see that clear, it's gonna make you say, oh my God. We're gonna be using it in the future on something, but if you wasn't in that live, you don't know what it is. But yeah, Grant 7 Painting Coatings, LSCR10, get you 10% off the Oh My Clear. Tell a friend. It's your boy, LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. The hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone. What's going on, y'all? What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSCR254, and you tune in for another one. Trying to find something. Oh, yes, that's right. Trying to find this knife so we can go and open this package. But since I can't find a knife, then this handy dandy, well, I can't find nothing. Nothing can be found on this day. Therefore, hithermore, you know, all that stuff. Anyway, shit, where's my knife at? I just had it the other day, but I just opened up a box in this goddamn man cave. But nope, it's cool. It's cool. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Hopefully the audio is better on this one. I've noticed in the last couple ones, I don't know if it's a disconnect going on with this microphone apparatus. This microphone apparatus and the actual apparatus for the microphone to plug in. Sometimes it sound like the GoPro camera, and sometimes it's not. Watching my dog CJ on 32. But yeah, I'm gonna pause that so that we can go ahead and continue this video as soon as I can find a goddamn knife. I'm just looking for a knife. I don't understand why I can't find a knife. Let me come here to the, you know what? Fuck it, we'll do it like this. Let's cut that bitch. Alright, so basically, we got a package that requires opening. You may know, you may not know what it is, but you're gonna learn today. Actually, it kind of looks like I probably could have opened this with the, it looked like I could have probably ripped the box open, but we're not gonna cut. We're not gonna leave out all that good footage of me walking around looking for a knife, now are we? So, come out here in the garage, home sweet home. Yeah, and I guess I'll just do it right here because I think I just ripped the box a little bit. Do it right here. Somebody gonna tell me, oh no, the Caprice, you'll scratch the paint. I mean, eventually it's getting painted over anyway, but you know. All right, so as you can see here, we got a box. What is this box? It's square. See if we can shake it. See what I'm talking about? Like the staples already feel like they coming out. So that's why I said I probably could have just ripped it open. Let me see. Hulk. Ooh, look at the Hulk. Hulk smash. Hulk rip open box. See, I'm sorry. I done wasted y'all time. But it was entertaining though. So make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe. Alright, so it was probably an easier way to get in the box, and that wasn't it. Ooh. Uh-oh. Whoopsie daisy. Alright, man, let me just go on and stop playing and open this box. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, LSJRod254. You tune in for another one. Yes. You see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt. LSJRod254, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build this Chevy. It's lit. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy LSJRod254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. Alright, so got the box to a point where it can open. Boom. Boom, bow, holla at me now. You know what this is? I think you know what this is. Here we have our very own oil pan. Pew, 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 pew. So yeah, man, here got the oil drain or the oil pan. Basically what we did, sent it off. Little history on the oil pan. This oil pan was donated by a subscriber who, I'm trying to, was it Whitlock? I don't see him around very much anymore, but he donated to the channel for a build. I think at that time we were talking about doing the 5.0. He would be happy to know that now it has grown and it will sit on this beautiful 6.0. Tell them what they want, Johnny. Yeah. So basically, it's basically what it is. It's a truck oil pan that has been modified. Set it up here so y'all can see it. It's a truck oil pan that has been modified so that it can clear, you know, certain XYZ cross members, such and such and such. Here, our drain plug has been inserted and welded on by our very own classic. Beer, 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 beer. So as you can see, good job, man. Those wells Those welds look good, man. Put it down in the comments what you think about Classics welding. Looks good to me, brother. Looks very good. So, pretty much, this is what we was waiting on. This was the final step. There are very, very, very few things that we are now lacking to put this thing back together. And now the pan is not one of them. So the pan is here. Thank you, Zippity Doo Dah, Zippity Day. Oh damn, it's chipping up my valve covers. I might put another coat of paint on them anyway. But yeah, pretty much that's what it is, man. The oil pan is here. As you know, we already got our gaskets. So all we gotta do, put this on, and then we can line up everything else correctly. This, let me show you, and I believe it says here on the bottom of the pan, it says right here that oil pan alignment and torque are critical. See your service manual. So you definitely want to make sure that all that is done. And basically moving forward, all we'll have to do is put on the harmonic balancer, heat that up, slide that on, oil pan on, boom, torque it down, lifters, lifter trays, install the heads permanently because they're not. From there, put on your heads, well, the heads. So then you install your rockers, your push rods, your rockers, and that's it, man. And then, and not before you know it, it's going in the Cutlass. So, like I said, very special shout out to my dog Classic. If y'all not already following him, go follow his channel. He even had the great idea. I was like, bro, I don't know how I'm gonna get back up there or when I'm gonna find the time to come back up there. He's like, bro, he's like, I'll mail it to you. You know what I'm saying? I honestly wasn't trying to make like any more work for him to have to try to find the box, etc., etc. However, you know what I'm saying, everything worked out fine. So, I can't wait, dog. I can't wait. We got the oil. We have our oil pan. I was like, we might put a coat of paint or something on it. You know what I'm saying? Clean it up a little bit, brake clean it, or whatever. You know, put a little. I mean, I don't really care, but I mean, if it's on the bottom of the motor, and yeah, I don't care. I might throw some paint on just to throw some paint on it, but I don't really care. But yeah, that vital piece. My dog Cortez should be giving me some. What is it? Oh, oil pan bolts. So we get the oil pan bolts, and then we put that pan on with the new gasket, and we're good to go. And pretty much the assembly begins. The number one reason that I didn't want to do that was because these lifters have just been soaking. I bet they full of oil now. Like they've been sitting back here for I don't know how goddamn long. But they full of oil. It ain't gonna be no motherfucking dry start. You can bet your ass on that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Oil pan is in, so we are one step closer to getting this Cutlass together. In the next few videos, probably in the next couple weeks. We'll go ahead and finish putting this 6.0 together and putting it in the car, bro. Then we'll kick off this series of for the LS swap, pretty much breaking down what you need to do with the G-body, etc., and bring you all kind of goodies, man. So you definitely don't want to miss anything. Make sure you click that bell. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click the like button so other people can find this video. So, it's your boy, LS Chevy Rod 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about yours to choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. Check out the link down in the comment section, or the link down in the description box. Pick up your merch, support the channel that way as well. So, go on.